Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is Ratul, your host for today's video. In today's video, we are gonna discuss about another AI feature of Tech Freedom. Yes guys, those who already know about the Tech Freedom, they already know what is the Tech Freedom. Those who don't know, I'm just saying in short, Tech Freedom is one of the best multi-featured mobile application, Android application for visually impaired, which means for the persons with print disabilities, with the help of which you can do lot of tasks like image recognition, currency recognition, document reading, AI related things, image generator, audio player, accessible audio and video player, and free auto TTS like Voicify TTS and much more. So guys, this application is developed by Indian developer, and the developer who has developed this application is also blind. So as a blind developer, he can able to understand the challenges, and based on that he is trying to solve those problems with this application. So today in this video we are gonna discuss about one amazing feature of this application which really helps you a lot. So before starting the video, those who are new in this channel, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy because you will get more videos like this regularly. So let's start. The feature name is TFAI. Now what is this TFAI? TFAI is one of your live assistant. Live assistance means, for example, you go somewhere. Now I'm in a room. Now maybe this is my room. That's why I know where the table is, where it is, how it looks. But for example, if this room is not known to me, then how can I understand? Who can I ask? Someone I need to ask. Okay. So instead of this, I can directly open this application, go to TFAI, and I can open the start conversation using camera also. Okay. As well as I can start I can do the conversation like what you can do with the Gemini live conversation. Now you may ask, sir, Gemini is there, some other application is there, ChatGPT also support this. Then why I should use this TFAI? You should use this TFAI because this is designed specially for the accessibility, especially for the blind people. As well as this application comes with 15 more features: notepad, password saver, link saver, document AI, document reader, instant reader, image generator, image reader, translator, and much more, audio player, right? So one application, multiple tasks. Okay, so let's see how this AI actually works. So let me open this application.
Tech Freedom, window Microsoft Launcher.
Okay, those who have not the application, you can download from Google Play Store. I'll share the link in the description below. And after downloading, you need to create your account using your Google account. Okay, you can also need to you also need to verify your account through SMS or WhatsApp. So let me just open the application.
Tech Freedom.
Now I'm just swiping from left to right to find the TFAI.
More app, access cache, image read, instant link saver, my player, notepad, password, scene description, text translator, TFAI.
Okay, button. So this is a TFAI. Now I'm just opening it, and once you open it, it will go to the communication mode. Communication mode means you will get sounds like you are in a phone call like this. Okay, so just I'm opening
TFAI.
Now my camera is turned off, and see what's the options available.
TFA, start talking.
Start
button.
talking.
Chat instead.
Chat instead. So if you press, if you go chat instead here, so which means what happened? It will take you to the assistant feature. Okay. So now I am just
Chat in. Start talking.
click on start talking.
Start talking.
So
button.
after start talking, you will get some other options. Okay. So let me just
Chat. Start talking.
click on
button.
start talking and then I'll start talking. Hello Tech Freedom.
Hello, welcome to Tech Freedom. How may I assist you today?
What is the time now?
I do not have access to the current time. However, I can help you with other things if you want.
Okay, so tell me, how many planets are there in the Earth? Not Earth, like in the galaxy.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. These planets orbit the sun. Would you like me to name them?
Yeah, definitely, but reverse from last to first.
Okay, I can do that. The planets in our solar system, in reverse order from the sun, are Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury.
Okay, now let me turn on the camera. Okay, see,
Close conversation.
close conversation.
Mute
Okay,
microphone.
I see you
Mute.
have
button.
turned on the camera.
Sorry.
Turn on camera.
Mute microphone.
Mute
So
microphone.
I'm just mute this. Otherwise, it will like.
Close. Unmute microphone.
So unmute
button.
microphone.
Turn on camera.
Turn on camera.
But camera preview.
Okay, camera preview is there.
Stop.
That's it.
Turn. Unmute. Close
And
conversation.
close conversation. So
button.
I'm just unmuting my mic. Then I'll just turn on the camera.
Unmute. Turn on camera.
Okay, I
button.
understand. Let me know if you need anything else.
Next, I need to
Mute.
test
Turn on
the camera.
camera.
Okay, let me know if you need my help with that.
Okay, so what you can see?
Okay, I can see a drum, a green platform, a red surface, and a cloth with a colorful pattern on it. Is there anything else you would like to know about the image?
It is not a drum. Could you please clarify?
Okay, my apologies. I see now that it is a tabla, not a drum. It has a light surface and a dark circle in the middle. Is there anything else you want me to see?
So why did you see first it's drum?
I apologize for that. The shape and size of the instrument made me identify it as a drum first.
No.
Thank you
no,
for
no,
correcting me.
No. Your apologize is not considered. Why you should say wrong?
Okay, You are right. I should have said it was wrong. I will remember that for the future. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, now what you can see?
Okay, I can see a tabla, a green platform, a red surface, a colorful patterned cloth, a white bowl, and a small red container. Is there anything else you want me to identify?
Can you tell me where I am? I'm in a room or road or where?
Based on what I see in the image, it appears you are inside a room. I see furniture, clothes, and a mirror with a reflection. I do not see any signs of being outside on a road.
Turn off. Mute micro. Close.
So guys, I just closed the conversation and this is fantastic, right? So this is how you can easily communicate with this feature, and the best part is, if you wish you can pin this feature at the top. If you wish, you can create a shortcut for this feature at your home screen, which is very useful. So guys, this is all about the TF AI. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like the video and share the video. Guys, those who are interested to learn how to design websites using WordPress, join our WordPress for Beginners course starting in February 2025. Visit the About page of this channel and visit the course page from there to register. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye. Happy watching.